everyone, good afternoon. What time is it? Yes, it's about 11:20 in the afternoon right now, and it's Sunday today, and I wanted to come on and say hi to you guys. But also, I don't do a lot of cooking videos, and a lot of you guys have requested me to do more food and cooking videos, and I'm trying, you guys, trust me. Like, I think I want to try to have my mom come on and like show me how to cook certain things. And yeah, so if you guys think that would be a fun idea to have my mom come on and like, you know, show you her cooking, her Vietnamese food, let me know. If you can hear my, yes, you can hear that. Let me go turn off my air conditioning. All right, I'm back, and I want to come on because my friend Jill is coming to visit, and my friend Jill used to live here in Philadelphia, and then she moved to New Jersey, so she's coming back to visit for the day, and we're going to do mimosas and a cheese board on my rooftop. So I'm going to put together the cheese board right now, and it's a very simple, basic cheese board, and you can obviously play it up. If you guys follow me on Instagram, this year for my birthday, I did a huge cheese board spread with meats and cheeses and fruits and all this stuff, and it was delicious. I love a good cheese board. So today I'm going to do a very basic one to give you guys some ideas of what you can kind of put on your cheese board, and it's a great way to entertain. I love entertaining friends and family and people, and yeah, I love doing it. So I'm hunched over because I don't feel like setting up my big tripod. Sorry guys, so you guys are on my mini tripod, so I'm gonna kind of like squat a little bit. Okay, so I did just go to the grocery store. I picked up some more crackers. I already have some crackers, which I'll show you in a second, but I picked up some pistachios. These are my favorite, with sea salt. Roasted pistachios are so good. I picked up some ranch because I was running low on ranch, and I picked up a cucumber, some baby carrots, and a chunk of manchego cheese. So I already have a chunk of brie cheese, so I'm gonna have two different cheeses and then a bunch of veggies, some fruits, and I'm just gonna throw it all together, and it's going to be kind of like a music overlay montage of me putting it together. But I hope you find it interesting. If you do enjoy food videos and you want me to do a series with my mom with cooking, let me know. That can definitely happen. But yeah, let's put this cheese board together. guys, so I'm in the car right now and I am on the way to my friend Natalie's house, and we are going to go to a grand opening of one of her friend's businesses. I'm super excited. Sorry if you can hear the wind. It's just my windows are open because it's a beautiful day and I'm in this really cute orange romper. So yeah, I'm gonna go to her house and then we're gonna head there. So I'll give you details later on the actual business and everything. It's gonna be so much fun. I'm excited. Hey guys, I'm with Nat. Told you guys I was meeting up with her. Now we're actually in Manayunk.
I stared at myself instead.
We're in Manayunk. We're at the very beginning of the festival. So we're gonna walk down and go to the grand opening. And I'm gonna do a little montage for you guys of Sasha's self-tanning place, and we're probably just gonna wander around Main Street, right?
Yeah, sounds great.
Yeah, it's the perfect day. It's beautiful. So, see you guys in a bit. Hey guys, so we are here at VACAY Beauty in Manayunk on Main Street. If you guys are looking for a bomb-ass tan and you're in Philadelphia, come check her out. Her name is Sasha. She's awesome. I'm gonna leave all her information and her Instagram down below in the description box, so check her out.